In front of me is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Click on Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Following that, input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!